Hello and welcome to YQ Academy tutorials. My name is Priyanka and topic for today's discussion is removing elements from array in JavaScript. So for removing elements from array in JavaScript, we have four approaches. We are going to discuss about pop method, shift method, splice method, and lastly we will discuss delete operator. So first let me take example for pop method. So let me write pop over here. The pop method is to remove the last element from the array. So let me write function and I'm taking function name and as x. Now let's write the body of function. So here I'm taking array name as arr using this let keyword, and this array will contain elements like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now to see the elements in the array, let me write console.log and then the array name, that is arr. So by using this we can see the output, what elements are actually contained in an array. Now to remove the element, let me write the keyword and then the variable name where I'm placing the removed element. So the removed element I'm placing in this variable removed, and then let's write arr dot the method name, that is pop. Now let me show you two things over here. First let me show you the removed element and then the remaining element after removing the last element using this pop method in an array. So for that let me write console.log. Let's first see the removed element. So let me write removed element, and let's write the variable where I'll store the removed element. So here the last element which I'll be removing from this pop method will be stored in removed. So here removed. Okay, now to see the remaining element present in an array, let me write like this. Now to see the output over here, let's write node and then the file name, that is remove element, and we can see the output as this. So here this is the original array, that is arr. So this is original array. By using this console.log we can see the output as this. Then we use pop method. So pop method will remove the last element from the array. So here the removed element, that is 5, is being stored in this removed variable. So here using this console.log removed element comma removed, we can see the removed element and then the remaining element which are present in the array after removing the last element using pop will be seen over here. So this is how this pop method is work. Now let's use this pop method using a while loop where I'll be removing all the elements using while loop, and then lastly we are going to show every deleted element to the user and the length of the array after removing every element from the array. So let me make changes over here only. So I'm using while loop. So here let me write while, and let's write array length. So this loop will run until the length becomes 0. Now let me write so this loop will be executed again and again until length becomes 0, and the removed element, the last element which is going to be removed from using this pop method will be stored over here, and the removed method will be shown one by one to user using this console.log removed and removed. So let's see the output. So here the original array, then the last element which is being removed using pop method, and then lastly the array length, that is 0. So this is how pop method can be used using while loop to delete the or remove the element from the array. Now let's take shift method to remove the element from the array. So I'm using shift method now, and this shift method is to remove the first element of the array. So this pop method will remove the last element. Last element will be removed using this pop method, and this shift method is going to remove the first element from the array. Let's see how. So let me use the function, and over here I'm taking y as function this time, and now let's write the body of function. So I'm declaring an array over here, so I'm using let keyword, and I'm taking array name as arr1 this time. Let me write elements of the array. Okay, so the elements of the array I'm taking as 1 2 3 4. Okay, now this time I'm taking 1 2 3 4. Now let's use the shift method to remove the first element. So let me write keyword, then the variable where I'll be storing the first deleted element, and now arr dot the method name, that is shift. Here let me write arr1. Now let me log this. Let's see the output. Oh, sorry, I didn't write this. And let me comment everything over here. So I comment every statement of this pop method as comment. Now let's focus on the shift method, which is going to remove the first element from the array. So here this one will be removed from the array. Let's see the output. Okay, this here I use y, and here changed by x. Okay, now let's see the output, and we can see the output as a removed element is 1. The first element of this arr1 will be removed, and the remaining element will be 2 3 and 4. So this is how second method, that is shift method, works. So shift method is for removing the first element from the array. Now let's see the splice method, and splice method is to modify the content of array by removing and adding new element. Okay, so first let me comment this shift method. So this splice method is to modify the content of array by removing and adding new element. So let me use the keyword const, and I'm taking array name as a1 suppose, and here I'm taking element as 1 2 3 um 4 and 5. Now let's use the method, that is splice. So let me write splice, and then let me write, so here let me write 2.5 and 2.9. So it means that at position 2, add two elements 2.5 and 2.9. So at position 2, this is position 1, this is position 2. So after this 2, when we run this program, after 2, we can see 2.5 and 2.9. And this 0 means delete nothing. Okay. So this is how it works. So let me show you the output. So let me write console.log and then a1, and now let's see the output. So here this after second position, after position 2, 2.5 and 2.9 gets added and nothing gets deleted. So this is how splice method works. Now let me show you another example. So let me write a1 dot the method name, that is splice. Okay, now let me write 2 comma 2. So it means that at position 2, remove two items. So here what will happen after 2? Okay, if you see this array, after 2, these two elements get deleted. Now let's see the output. So let's write console.log and then a1. Now let's see the output. So here, what happened at position 2, after this 2.5 and 2.9, the two elements get deleted. So here we can see the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me comment this as to show you the difference. Let me comment this to show you the difference. Now let's run this program. So here the original array is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is to see the output of A1. Now we have used this splice method, and at position 2 we have removed two items. So if this is our original array, then at position 2, 1 and 2, after this 2, the two elements, that is 3 and 4, gets deleted, and the output becomes 1, 2, and 5. So this is how splice method works. Let me show you one more example. So let me comment these statements. Now let's use the splice method again. So let me write splice, and now 2 comma 1 comma, let's say 40. Now what it will do, at position 2, one elements get deleted and 40 will be added. Now let's see the output. So let me write console.log and then a1. Now let's see the output. So this is our original array. Using this at position 2, 0, 1, 2 at position 2. One element is deleted. So here 3 is deleted. One element is deleted and added 40. 40 will be added. So here we can see 40 is added and 3 is deleted. At position 2, after 2 means 3 is deleted and 40 is added, and remaining the same array is as same. So this is how splice method works. Now let's discuss our fourth approach for removing element from array, that is delete operator. So let me write delete operator. Okay, let me declare an array. So I'm taking A2 and I'm taking in array elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let me write deleted, where I'm going to store the deleted element, and let me write the keyword, that is delete, and then from where I need to delete, so I'm going to delete in A2. And what I'm going to delete, so I'm going to delete the element at index, let's say 3. It will delete the third index from this A2, third index value from this A2. And let's see the output. So let's write console.log and then remaining array, let's write A2. Let me show you the original array as well. So let me write console.log and then A2. So from here, the original array, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be seen in output, and here after deleting, the remaining elements from the array can be seen. So here this is our original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the remaining element here, the index. So here third index values get deleted, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here 4 it has is at index 3, so it will be deleted. 4 is deleted from this array, and this is how a delete operator works in JavaScript. So we have discussed four methods to remove the elements in our array in JavaScript.